As of right now, it is raining severely. Yes, in this backyard, it is approximately poured down 2 gallons. But that is the banana bird. No, what is he doing? No. Where's he going? I must find him. This could be a big, huge capture in the bounty hunting world. I mean, there's always a risk, but I have to go for it right now because this is big. The banana bird has been found dead several times, and you know, I just have to go for it because you know this is one of those captures that's just like big. You just gotta go out there for it. You know, you gotta find it. You gotta capture it. You know, it's my reputation. And yeah. You know the old saying: if you can't capture the banana bird, nice guys finish last. That's why I'll treat you like trash. All right, we're here. I'm going in. Wish me luck. What is that? What is that? Oh no! It's the banana bird! What is he doing? That fine art! Come on, get out of the chair! Get out of the chair! I got him! Yes, this is a huge capture in bird hunting history for the banana bird. You know, I have made history, and now we're gonna train him. The banana bird. What a pile of crap.